Hey guys, how to upload YouTube shorts more than 15 seconds. For this, go to the YouTube app, then tap plus and create a short. We have only 15 seconds, but if we tap to 15, we have 60 seconds to record. Tap once more and we have 15 seconds. Also, we can upload our video from gallery. For this, tap plus, upload a video, choose our video to 60 seconds, tap next, tap next once more, and in this screen, add title, for example, test short video. Then choose visibility, and we can upload short. If you download vertical video until 60 seconds, it will be short automatically. But you can make it manually. For this, in title or description, add hashtag shorts. And its video will be short. After that, click upload short. That's all. Good luck.